Hello students, today in the chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, we will solve the problems based on the trigonometric identities, exercise 8.4. We will continue from the question number 5. So let's start. Question number 5, we have to prove this. Second point, cos A upon 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A upon cos A is 2 sec A. Now take the left hand side of the problem. So left hand side is given. Now in the left hand side, this denominator 1 plus sin A and cos A, for addition we can take the LCM of these two denominators. So we get 1 plus sin A into cos A, then this 1 plus sin A divides the LCM, we get cos A, and cos A into cos A is cos square A. Similarly, this LCM divided by cos A, so we get 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A multiplied by this 1 plus sin A becomes 1 plus sin A whole square. Now here 1 plus sin A whole square, we can have the identity A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. We can use the identity for opening this bracket. So we get cos square A plus 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now it is written 1. Why? As 1 plus 1 square is 1. So we can write 1 square is 1. So need not to write 1 square. So after this, we can arrange the terms cos square A plus sin square A. These two terms will be given value 1. So we get 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. This 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So we have the next step is 2 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. Then afterwards we can take 2 as common. So when 2 is common, so inside of the bracket we have 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. As the numerator and denominator, there are the two terms are multiplying, and 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A both are the common in the numerator and denominator, so it will be cancelled out. So we get the next step is 2 upon cos A, and as we know that 1 upon cos A becomes sec A, so it is 2 sec A, which is the right hand side of the problem. So we can say it's proved that cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is 2 sec A. Again, let one more problem of this. Question number 4. 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Now we can take any side of the problem for proving. So let's take left hand side of the problem is 1 plus sec A upon sec A. Now this sec A, as I told earlier, you have to write the trigonometric terms in the form of sine and cos. That is, whatever the problem says, you have to convert that ratios in the terms of sine and cos. So it will be easy to prove. So let's take sec A is 1 upon cos A. So we can write 1 plus 1 upon cos A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Now in the numerator we can take the LCM. So LCM is cos A. So in the numerator, after LCM we get cos A plus 1 upon cos A whole divided by 1 upon cos A. Now this 1 upon cos A will be multiplied with the reciprocal of this. So we get cos A plus 1 upon cos A into cos A upon 1. Now both the cos A and cos A will cancel out. We get cos A plus 1. Now here the thing is, we have to get that left hand side after solving we are having cos A plus 1, but we have to prove sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Now we are not getting this. That meaning we have to take right hand side also, and it will be simplified. So let's take right hand side of this is sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Now we will simplify this. So let's start. As sin square A upon 1 minus cos A, and we are not getting anything what to do with this. So we know one topic in the 9th class, rationalization of denominator. So we rationalize the denominator 1 minus cos A. So whatever the sign given between the terms or between the two terms, we have to change the sign and multiply and divide by that term. So 1 minus cos A is their denominator. So we multiply and divide by 1 plus cos A. So we get sin square A upon 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Now in the denominator, please observe 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. So that means one bracket says A minus B and second bracket says A plus B. So it will become A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square plus B square, this identity. So after multiplying this, we get 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A is 1 square minus cos A. 1 square minus cos square A. Then 1 square we can write 1. So in the next step we will write 1 minus cos square A. And we know that 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So we can place the value 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So in the numerator it is sin square A into 1 plus cos A, as we have done the product of numerators. After rationalization of denominator, so sin square A into 1 plus cos A upon sin square A. Now here numerator and denominator sin square A is common, so it will be cancelled out. So we get 1 plus cos A. Now observe this. Left hand side is also 1 plus cos A and right hand side is also 1 plus cos A. That meaning left hand side and right hand side both are equals. So it's proved that 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A.